I'll copy paste this link to this document in our chat. So I want to switch it a little bit. Always confusing with this Zoom interface. Okay, so welcome everyone on our biweekly community meeting. Today, we probably don't have anyone new on this call. Nobody can introduce yourself. I'll repeat that we have Telegram group where you can join and ask your questions. Also, join Slack group in official Kubernetes Slack. Oh, Marcelo, hi. Yeah, if you want to tell a little bit about yourself, if your first time on this call, that's a good time to do that.
Oh, just a minute. I think my camera. It's okay for this first time to not use the camera.
Yeah, sure. You don't have to use camera. You can even don't tell anything about you if you don't want to.
Oh no, I'll be quick, like 10 seconds. I'm a DevOps engineer that are looking for using Cozystack in my home lab and also in the near future to contribute to Cozystack. So basically that.
Awesome. Welcome to our community. So today I'm going to share a few things done in latest releases. We cut out v0.41. The main change it introduces MongoDB support. So we have added MongoDB application. Now it should be available to order. I think I have it in my dashboard already. So here you have MongoDB application. It is possible to create new MongoDB instance, to configure users and their roles and everything as usual with any other application for Cozystack. Yeah, it's powered by Percona's MongoDB operator, and it has all the features enabled. Actually, this community operator allowed us to get merged because it is licensed under Apache 2 license. I think we have no licensing issues with adding this software to Cozystack to in3. So finally, we support MongoDB. Also, we cut out few alpha releases of version 1.0. This release actually switching to new model of deploying Cozystack itself. It's called Cozystack operator, and Cozystack it actually operates with two resources. It's called packages and package sources. Package sources are defined. The sources are going to use for the available packages, and packages actually defines the Helm releases should be installed in a cluster. Under the hood, package source actually generates artifact generators. There's a Fluxer release which allows Flux directly generate artifacts out of OCI registry. And it generates external artifacts to which Helm releases are pointing to. The package is actually allows you to install specific packages of Cozystack. We refactor it a little bit. Not a little bit. We refactored a lot. The main application which defines, we call it core platform. This core platform now includes sources for all available packages. And for now, when we're adding new package in repository, it should have related package source resource. So when you install Cozystack, it delivers all the package sources. So Cozystack knows where it can take sources for installing those Helm charts. And also, there are two different ways how we going to support it. So the mode 1, that was like usual when you have one single configuration file for all the platform. Now the difference that this configuration is switched to be package. Let me just show how it looks like. Installer example. So for now, in order, if you want to install Cozystack, like for ISP, with dashboard, with all the possible packages, it is needed after you install Cozystack operator to create this package resource and provide all the configuration into its values. That actually, it will install Cozystack platform from here. And the platform, it will also enable bundles, which we have now redesigned a little bit. So bundles now define set of components, which include packages. We have bundle system, IaaS, PaaS, NAS. So for now, you still have option to disable specific components from this dashboard. If you're going to use this just for virtualization purposes, you can keep IaaS on and disable PaaS functionality. The same way you can use PaaS functionality without IaaS. Just for example, if you're installing Cozystack in shared cluster and you just need to have this functionality enabled. So in fact, what it does is just creating packages. The code here isn't easy readable, but in fact, it just creates package resources. In case if you don't want to have a ready-made box solution, you can just install Cozystack operator and Cozystack CLI. It is also released here as part of releasing artifacts. It's called Cozy Package. This tool actually allows you to track the dependencies and install packages you want to from package sources using standard CLI interface. It can also render cool chart of all the dependencies in your cluster. Also, there were a few changes about Fluxity. We split the Fluxity to 2 different instances. For now, we have Flux, which manages system releases, and Flux, which manages user applications. The reason to that was that sometimes you need to have the system Flux have no access to Kubernetes DNS. And we need to have access to Kubernetes DNS in case if you want to install charts into Kubernetes tenant Kubernetes clusters. So I think that also should improve the performance of processing Helm charts as well. For now, all the tenant Helm charts having sharding label, which managed by the secondary Flux, which operates just the tenant Helm releases. That's probably it. Yeah, ask about the configuration previously, and the documentation of Cozystack is still pointing you to creating config map. Now all the configuration should be provided in this package file. I think we will update docs soon, and maybe we will cut one more release, or I don't know. For now, we are testing this alpha release, and I think we will collect all the bugs. And if somebody from the community interested in testing this, you can also feel free to do that and report us bugs. Yeah, Robert, you said that you're using it, you're running Cozystack on Raspberry Pis. I think for now it should be also more easy to do that. For now we have RAM builds disabled, but it should be possible to select on the specific components which you want to install. For example, if you don't need the whole platform, you just can install the specific part of it. That's actually it.
Andrei?
Yeah.
I would like to say thanks for update me.
Yeah, I think Nikita is one of the who pushing RAM support, and I think we will implement it back in a while, at least for Cozystack operator and for the core components. That's actually it. Also, two new packages were added. We were solving our business things, and thanks to that, we got new community packages introduced. One of them is Kilo. Kilo is used to create a cluster mesh, just in case if you want to have some nodes located in different location, if they're available through the public network, you can actually enable Kilo through the package, through the Cozy package, and it will set up WireGuard tunnels between the locations. So all the traffic will go through these WireGuard tunnels. We were also forced to fix it a little bit, so we prepared to pull requests to the upstream project. Also, Kilo allows you to create cluster-to-cluster mesh. That means if you have two Kubernetes clusters, you can actually configure interconnection of them, and to make services and pod network and even internal network accessible from one cluster to another. The second package is Local-CCM. The Local-CCM is needed to configure external IPs for the nodes. I had no chance to test it, but I can try this live demonstration. For now, I have a cluster. This cluster have few nodes. They are not ready. The only thing I've done is installed operator here. And now I want to have two demonstrations. The first demonstration is how can you easily build new Cozystack packages and deliver it to this cluster. This is very simple. So we can go to the Cozystack packages core installer. And in makefile target, it has image operator, which will rebuild the operator itself. In our case, it's not very interesting. And the second target is image packages. So in case if you do some changes in Cozystack repository, you can test those changes locally. Just for example, I did some changes already. They are committed, but they are not in my cluster. And I want to update Cozystack itself to using this new Helm chart. For this, I do make image packages. This will actually generate new artifact in OCI. If you need to override the registry, you can also specify specific registry here and tag. And the second step is to do make diff. You'll see what is changed here. It will actually update the argument for this operator to start installing the things from another OCI artifact with different digest. The second thing is make apply. It will actually just apply the installation manifest. And in few minutes, I think even in 30 seconds, you'll get new package sources and updated Cozystack version here. Yeah, if we're installing Cozystack, the second demonstration I want to show is how Local-CCM works. So just for example, for now, I have just one package source. This is intended behavior because if you want to install Cozystack, we need to know which variant of Cozystack you want to use. If it is ISP, you actually have to specify this configuration file. So you can create this package and define that you want to have ISP full variant and specify all the parameters for it. But if you don't want it, you can use just Cozystack to install this package. Actually, Cozystack has similar syntax to Alpine Package Manager. You can run list and see the installed packages. There are no installed packages yet. Let's install this one. It will ask you which variant you want to install. We will use the default one. And now we have this installed package. It actually creates artifact generator. It will create other package sources. So after you install package sources, it will install the other package sources. So in a while, they get reconciled and generate artifacts. In fact, package source generate artifact generators. And artifact generators, they generating external artifacts. For every particular chart in specific variant, the new external artifact will be generated. So when we installing the package, it will create Helm releases. For example, previously I installed this Cozystack platform package. The Helm release for it will look like this. So it specifies chart ref to this external artifact, which is generated by package source itself. That's it. Now let's try to enable Local-CCM. Let me first check that Cozystack operator is still working. We can also check flag CD. There are two instances. So this flag CD is actually system one. It does not require any network configured to work. So it can install the system releases like CNI with no chicken and egg problem. The second flag CD for tenants, for tenant applications, it is still in pending because we have no network configured. And let's see Cozy package list. There is Local-CCM. And I want to install this package. Let's add it. But before we adding this package, it will say that this package depending on Cozystack networking, and it prompts us to choose specific option for Cozystack monitoring variant. Actually, there is variant no op. In case if you're installing on already existing cluster, it will actually test nothing, but it will work for satisfied dependencies. I'll choose to use the Cilium without KubeVN. It also, the next step, it asks me which variant of Cozy-CCM I want to install. There is just one variant. So now it creates two packages. We can also see them as packages. Yeah, it can take some time because when Cilium is get configured, the API can be not accessible for a while. Yeah, so actually Cozy-PKG list with -e flag actually does get packages. There are two packages installed. The packages inside they define the variant which we choose. And also there is an opportunity to update various for all the components for inside of this variant. Just for example, package source defines that Cilium variant, it had to install this, it have to install specific components. Just for example, Cilium from path systems, Cilium and specify these values files. And also install Cilium network policies. In fact, it generates the Helm releases out of this. Just for example, here it is. Helm release for Cilium and Helm release for Cilium network policy. What about Local-CCM? Local-CCM works as a daemon set. I think it does not require any configuration. So what it should do now is to configure external IP for my node. You can see it is different to the internal one. And it might be useful for specific components like Hetzner load balancer in terms if you want to route traffic using your public networking. That's pretty much it. Feel free to ask any questions. There are no questions. We can switch and go ahead. Let me just find my Zoom again. Oh, I hope I was sharing my screen.
Yes, you were. So we have seen everything.
Awesome, awesome. Thank you. We have no other topics to discuss. Either any other questions from the community? Feel free to ask them. Okay, let's go ahead. Pull request that needs attention. We are still have a lot of things. I think the most of them are not from the community. We got contribution of Elasticsearch. Cool. So I think in a while we'll get Elasticsearch as a managed application in Cozy. We have to review that. And bug scrap. They probably no new bugs. This way, last chance to ask anything. Going once, going twice. And thank you for attending our meeting. See you in 2 weeks, same time.
Andrei, I would like to just say thanks for your article in LinkedIn.
Awesome, thank you.
I read it and it was inspiring me. Yeah, thanks.
About KubeVirt, we probably have to announce them here as well. I'll copy paste link into this document if somebody interested. Thank you.
Yeah, I have read it.
See you, bye.
Thanks for the demo, Andrei. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.